Hi, I'm Ankita from Calltech Global. And if you're here, you want to see what this panel actually does when a teacher or trainer gets their hands on it. So let's not waste any time. What you're about to see is the Calltech interactive flat panel display in action, the whiteboard, the AI, and every tool built into this panel for the classroom and the training room. Everything live, everything on the screen right now. Let's go. You've seen the system. Now let's get inside the whiteboard because this is the heart of the Calltech experience. 29 built-in features, all live. Let me show you every single one. The whiteboard starts with your canvas and it's completely yours to set up. Background. Choose any background you like, plain colors, grid patterns, line paper or a custom image. Set the right environment for the session before you write a single word. Pen. Multicolor pens with adjustable thickness, precise, expressive writing for any subject, any audience. Eraser. 3 ways to erase. Select erase for targeted removal. Slide erase to wipe a section. And palm erase. Just lay your palm flat on the screen and clear the board naturally. Undo and redo. Made a mistake? 1 tap to undo. Changed your mind? 1 tap to redo. The session never has to stop. The whiteboard is not just a drawing surface. It's a full content platform. Insert browser. Open a live website directly within the whiteboard. No switching apps. Bring the internet into your lesson the moment you need it. Insert table. Create and customize a table in 2 tabs. Perfect for comparisons, data, or any structured content. Insert shapes, a library of 2D and 3D shapes, ideal for geometry, diagrams, and visual explanations. Insert file. Import documents directly from the panel's own storage onto the whiteboard. No cables, no USB required. Insert photo or video. Pull in photos and videos from the panel's storage for media-rich interactive sessions. Insert web picture. Search for an image on the web and place it directly on the board. Right here, right now. Insert web video. Search and play online videos within the whiteboard. The content comes to the board, not the other way around. For STEM educators and trainers, this next feature is a real standout. Smart Tools. Math Tools, a digital compass, protractor, ruler, and set square, all on screen, all precise. Draw perfect geometric figures in seconds. No physical toolkit required. Calltech is built for the classroom ecosystem and the collaborative workplace. Here is how. QR phone share. Scan the QR code on screen and instantly send files, images, or board content to any student's or attendee's phone. No email, no cables, no delay. QR code. Share the entire panel screen to mobile devices via a single QR scan. Perfect for distributing notes at the end of a session. Live stream. Stream the class live, instantly. A QR code appears on screen. Students scan it from any device, from any location, and they are in. The lesson happens in the room and beyond it simultaneously. Teach from anywhere. Learn from anywhere. No app download, no login, no setup. Just scan and join. Voting machine. Launch a live poll. Participants scan a QR code on their phone, submit their vote, and results appear on screen in real time. Instant engagement, instant feedback. Multi-touch supports up to 20 simultaneous touch points so the whole group can work together at once. And single touch gives smooth, precise writing on an infinite canvas when one person is presenting. These tools give the presenter complete control over the session from start to finish. Screen curtain. Hide content from the audience, build anticipation, and reveal on your cue. Perfect for quizzes, staggered instructions, or any moment where you control exactly what the room sees. Timepiece, a built-in stopwatch and countdown timer, displayed on screen for the whole room. Keep sessions on track without reaching for your phone. And built right in alongside these, a calendar for session planning. A scientific calculator. Multi-page new page navigation, so the board works like a digital notebook, and a page list for easy overview. Every utility a teacher needs without ever leaving the whiteboard. Every session creates valuable content, and Caltech makes it effortless to capture and share. Screenshot captures the board instantly, and Screen Record records the full session, board activity plus audio for any duration. Post it as a revision resource, a training video, or a meeting record. The camera gives direct access to capture images or video and drop them straight onto the board. PDF or PPT. Open PDF and PowerPoint files directly on the board. Highlight, annotate, add notes, and interact with your documents. No conversion, no extra steps. The board becomes a live document editor. Everything a teacher or trainer needs on a whiteboard. But now I want to show you something that changes the game completely. It lives right here on the board and it responds to whatever is on the canvas in front of you. Let me show you what that actually looks like. And now this is the Keep AI Launcher. 13 dedicated teaching tools built for the classroom available without leaving the board. Let me walk you through them. Lesson Plan Generator. Watch the screen. The topic is Photosynthesis Grade 7, and in 30 seconds, Here is the complete structured lesson plan. Learning objectives, activities, timing, differentiation, suggestions. Everything a teacher would spend 45 minutes writing, generated on the spot right here on the board. That time goes back to the teacher every single day. Unit plan. Zoom out from a single lesson to an entire unit. Generate a full multi-week unit plan from a subject and grade level with learning outcomes, week-by-week structure, and assessment points built in. Practice. Generate a quiz on any topic instantly. Choose the number of questions, difficulty level, and even the Bloom's taxonomy level. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, create. Students get multiple choice questions with instant color-coded right and wrong feedback on screen. Custom test. Teachers can create their own test from any device outside of class and access them directly on the panel when the session begins. Your assessment is ready and waiting the moment you walk into the room. Discussion. Generate structured discussion prompts around any concept on the board. Give students a meaningful question to explore, not just an answer to copy down. Exit ticket. One of the most powerful tools for any teacher. An exit ticket generated from the day's lesson content. A quick, focused question to check understanding before the class leaves. Formative assessment in 10 seconds. Engagement. Generate engagement activities tied to the topic on the board. Keep energy high, keep students active, and make learning stick. Keep AI search. Ask any question. The AI brings the answer directly onto the board as a structured card. Not a browser tab, not a separate screen. The answer appears right where the teaching is happening. Solve. Select a problem written on the board, a maths problem, a science question, a logic puzzle, and the AI solves it step by step. The working appears on the canvas for the class to follow. Real life examples. Every abstract concept becomes concrete. Select any topic on the board and the AI generates real world examples and applications, instantly making the lesson more relevant and memorable. Image or video. Search for relevant images or videos directly from the AI panel and insert them onto the canvas. The right visual at the right moment without leaving the lesson. "13 tools, all AI powered, all built for what teachers and trainers do every day. Plan, deliver, assess, and adapt without leaving the board, without slowing down the lesson. This is not a whiteboard with AI bolted on. This is an AI teaching platform, and it is built into every single Caltech IFPD. So that's the product. Now let's talk about where it's already making a difference. Specifications tell you what a product can do. Projects tell you what it actually does in the real world under real conditions. Caltech panels are installed across schools, universities, institutes, and enterprise organizations around the globe. What you have just seen is not a feature list. It is a teaching platform, a collaboration tool, and an AI-powered workspace, all in one panel on your wall. The next step is simple. Visit caltechglobal.com, request a live demonstration, and let us bring this into your space. See it, touch it, teach on it. We are confident you will not go back. Thank you. We look forward to building the future with you.